Hi, love, you alright? Morning. Right, on that note, good. I think it's still morning, I'm not sure to be fair. No, it's dinner time. So, come out without my mobile phone. Oh well. Never mind. I ain't going back. So, no photos today. It's a bit muddy before we even start. Anyway guys, morning, sorry afternoon, welcome, e-mtb, Adventurous, where I forgot to bring my phone. And it's windy. I think it's going to be bloody windy if I go up on tops. Oh dear. Right. So I'm heading over Haworth side. Now then. Yup. You alright? Now then. Done. So, always better on battery going this way. So, yeah, let's head up towards Ogden way, or at least going up that way anyway. So, I need to actually change my settings on my kayaks. And guess what? I can't. Because my bloody phone's at home. And these gears are still clunking. The minute you go past halfway, up to bigger rings. Moving that doesn't do a thing. Oh. Right, so we're going to take a left here. Take a left. Over at Miles. Come out near the pub. Head up as you go into Ogden. Decide what I'm going to do. These gears are flunking like arseholes. Really annoying to say it's all new. Anyway. Oh yeah. Got waterproof socks on again. Like I say, never got to combat without them. Best things ever. So I made it up onto the tops. So follow this track now till we get off Moors. To be fair, it's a lovely day. It's not cold. Breezy. Actually saying that there's not much of a breeze on this part, even though I am opened up. Loads of bike tracks up here. Loads of bike tracks. Probably all going over to Ogden, to be fair. But be careful on these, catch your pedal, throws you into Timbuktu. Not what you want. Then, I believe, take a right here. Just put it up into Tor Plus. And I'm presuming we go this way, can't remember. You can never tell on these little tracks, especially when they ain't much of a track. But we're heading towards a hole-in wall over there. So, I've been doing my videos in HEVC, so I've had to use CapCut, and the music on there is absolute rubbish. So, I've managed to put the music from Movu or Move At or something, yeah, over to it, and I've worked out more settings. Program, speed up, slow down, slow mo, put the music in. Absolutely buzzing. That guy came down there that time. I'm going to go up there because he took a shortcut. Christ, was that really a good idea to actually say we'll go this way? But he came down there. He turned off before me. And turned off after me and got here before me. And I've said I'll see how this one pans out. So let's take this track. So anyway, yeah, as I was saying, our videos now can have the music from the other videos in, which are a bit more dramatic instead of elevator music. So this video is going to be done that way this time. So yeah. No elevator music this time, bitches. It's me. Keep on. Yeah. So, well, generally, we would come out somewhere down there. This is going to bring us out on the corner. That's a bonus. Just trying to stay in the middle of this track. Keep my pedals out that way. Yeah, man. Quick shout out, Toby. He sent me a voicemail last night on phone. I can't hear you, Dave, I'm in a pub. Or should I say, I can't hear you. So, yeah. Somebody was a bit fiddly. Word to you, man, word. So a shout out as well to Paul, who don't come out in mud. He's allergic to it. So, I hope you got out today, Paul. It's a cracking day, lad. It's a cracking day. Got quite way off here yet. So I'm hoping there's a way out of here. Right, so just heading up. You know, these keys are cluttering like hell. I'm having to go in the e-mtb to stay out of the rings, that clutter. To be fair, I might as well just turn this bike into a 4-speed. Loads of bike tracks up here today. See if I can clean any of this off the bike. So if you haven't got any of these waterproof socks, man, you need to get some. I think I've had mine about 30 years. To be fair, I could do with replacing them, but I think winter's going to be, we're more closer to summer now, you know, spring and summer than winter. So right, it's windy up here. Holy sugar. I have to say, this is a little challenging. Look at that puddle there. I ain't going through that. Your motor can take a little, but not that much. Wind is getting fierce up here. Fierce. I think that guy who just held the gate open for him, I think he's just turned right, to be fair. He's just gone down here. Don't blame him, to be fair. Don't blame him. Oh. Now then, guys. Yeah. So I'm thinking I'm actually going to do Ogden Waters. I'm going to go up that way. I've been up there since me, Paul and Doug went up. Help me get out of this wind. Oh, that guy's over there. Yeah. He's gone that way, is that guy? Oh. Hoo-ah. So just out on a mission today. Get some miles in, try these gears. Try the gears my ass. They're still not working right. And I don't really know why. I don't think mud helps much, but it's 12 gears on one of these is way too much on an e-bike. You never use your last big 3 rings. So, you know, I say make 9 speed. Because why need a 50? You put 51s on MTBs, not on e-mtbs. It's a little bit silly. Anyway, that guy's well on there now. One when it tracks where I'd normally do. So he's cheating. He's not going up the big beast. I'm going up that behind me. And I'm going to be really open up there, so it's going to be really windy. And especially going back on the road where the sailing club is, that is going to be windy. But we're going to end up coming out, going across the valley, and then eventually coming downstairs. My feet are wet. Told you I needed some new waterproof socks. But luckily it's not a cold day, so my feet won't go cold, so I'm okay with that. So actually saying that, it's probably not my feet. It's probably the water outside my waterproof socks. So I can just feel the squelch on the outside. Anyway, let's head up that big beast and battle the winds, get down to Ogden Reservoir, oh well, Ogden Waters, yeah, and go upside of Halifax Golf Club and get onto the road and again battle the wind. So we'll see you up there, guys. Take it easy. Right, because of obviously, like I say, no phone, no motor assistant adjusting, so it's just going to have to be e-mtb up here because it's winding now. There's seen water running down here. Holy manoli. I want to take it steady as well because I don't have my phone, and if all bloody happens, I only know my mobile number. And, yeah, second time ever come out without my phone. Rattling its tits off. To stay down in other gears, I might end up going up here in turbo. Normally it'd be a tour job. Out at water. Yeah, turbo job here. Just because I don't want to go down on any bigger rings. Bloody hell, too much power in turbo. I'll tell you that much. The reason why I never really use it, it just tries to launch you away. Getting e-mtb. You alright? Been a bad idea. I've done that before. It's been a really deep fall. An ass over sticks. The reason why I was careful then. Like I say, you don't know how deep it is. Don't take the risk. Whoa! That's it. Holy tits! Must have fair rained last night. Must have fair come down at some point. All about balance is this bit. Balance, not too much power, Don't hit your pedals. When you do get a chance, take a look around. Because right now, I'm concentrating more on the floor. Than anything else. Somebody put a big rock in the way, maybe. Wow. To be fair, I've come up here for the last few years and I've never seen so much bloody water. To be fair. So, tricky bits and bounds. Like being on the bloody trials bike. It really is. You just can't escape any water. No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sent me over. A couple of bikers coming up here. A couple of guys just gone past me on trail bike and gravel bikes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now there's history behind these stones. I think the markers from Ogden back in the Roman days. You alright? Yeah, I think I was reading, I think there was something to do with markers, as in maps, back in the olden days. Don't take my word on that, but I know that for something when it comes to mapping or marking. God, this is not doing my body any good at all. Holy shit balls. Oh my God, I'm not getting down that, am I? Not getting down that. I'll never get my pedals down it. Yeah, let's get over to this side. We good? Rock and roll, man. We're on it. Tramp on a bag of chips and all that. Yeah, there'll be no world speed record going down here. Hell. It's just like going down a bloody stream in a wood. What's this? We're glad to get away from it. Well, got over. Whew. Got over. Oh, man. Close gate. Oh. Hell, I'm hoping that's the last water I've seen. But for some reason I don't believe that. Still in a bit of a swampy. Apparently now it's going to be boggy going out the valley to get over to Ogden Bridge Road and then over to the stairs, and that's going to be piss wet through going downstairs. Holy moly. To be fair, it's not as windy as I expected. I was expecting it to be windier up here today, to be fair. But we've still got that road to get on, which is just open for crosswinds. And there's Ogden Water, just there. See that? Going to go around there in about 10 minutes. We are definitely talking swamp fever here. Definitely talking swamp fever. Holy hellfire.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to put my job cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
Coming up to a bit here where I went down it in winter and came out of it with a puncture. This part right there. So yeah, always take that one steady. But it's going to be busy down here today as well. Too many gates on this bit. Way too many gates, man. Whoa. So we're actually above the Ogden Waters now. Actually above it. See it through trees. Yeah, so we've got a long way. We haven't even started actually coming back yet. I've used 19%, 8.5 miles. And like I say, I'm making today as easy as possible. Keeps the battery going on again then. Whoa! Slipping ladder sliding. Next gate to go through. Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, baby. I was sinking then. It's going down. Holy God. Go for the big gate. You have to walk in pretty puddle then, do you? Wow, that was deep. That was deep. I was thinking if I was coming back up from that. My God. Holy mother of God. Are you seeing this?
Everything is killing me. Thoughts feel quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different.
I need to get some mud off my front end.
Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go getter. Never stop, go get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. So keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
I am nowhere near finished in mud yet. Mud, water, it's going to be a worrying for motor. Right, we're here. Oh, it's a bit choppy. Have a look here. Very choppy. We've got to head up that big pissing hill. I hate this. Especially when my gears are rattling. Hiya. Right, so e-mtbing it up here, away from my rattly gears. By the time I get back, it should be maybe 25 miles. Maybe. we're 9.5 miles in. Yeah, right. Oh, I've got some crisps as well. I've got a big pack of Space Raiders in my rucksack. Oh. Yeah. They'll be getting eaten soon. Or at least I'll make a start on them soon. Yeah. Let's stop up here and make a start on them. So, just stopped here. Plenty of people on golf course here. There's a couple of people teeing off up there. People down there. Hi. Need to scrape all this off. To get all this out, I'll find a sticker somewhere. Dear me. Look at the state of that, lads. Look at the state of that. Holy moly. Got one? No. Space Raiders, baby. So, let us battle the wind. Because it is coming in. Still need a ramp to try and get this off. Bollocks. That was a weird one. I just sprayed juice down to clear chainring, and I get back on bike and my electric's turned off. Anyway, it's turned back on and I'm back on it, but that's kind of a weird one. Never come across that before. Oh God. Long boring climb is this. Rough as hell, it's awful. Going across the valley is going to be an absolute nightmare. I'm hoping the motor don't get fucked anywhere. That's the last thing I want, because there's a lot of water and mud out today. We have river running wild. It's just running off the tops. So the guy who I let through a gate on the other end has just passed me coming down here, so he's gone across the valley up the main road. Hell, he's going to need some luck going back that way. It was bad enough getting over the easy way, let alone going backwards on it. Yeah, good luck, lad, good luck. So the wind is coming from this side. You just know this road's going to be a battle. So join us on the next mud bit, because you don't want to see me having 2 heart attacks and a stroke on main road with bloody wind trying to blow me into reservoir. Well, it's very windy up here. And it's coming from this way. Fair blowing. 28% used. 11.1 mile. Whoa. Must have been strong wind. Huh? Can't park there, sir. Holy shit. Yeah, man. That's a car in the dip. Well. Oh. I'm down. I am down. Fucking wind. Holy hell. Oh. My back is really hurting now. Whew. I need to walk for a minute. Oh God. That was one battle. You see that car didn't dip. Jesus. Pissed up, bell end, or the wind blew him in. I can't actually believe that the wind might have done it, to be fair. After what I've just battled. It was just taking me all over. Anyway. Feels so much better going on here. The wind is just steady and not Hurricane George. So wind's still coming in from left. Just playing all this in eco. Play eco all the way to, well, probably all the way to Woxnope now, hopefully. What we're looking at battery wise, 69% left. Mind you, I have been battling some stuff, haven't I? Hey sheepy. I have been battling it. Ooh, people. Person? Not sure. Sheep? Looks like. Yeah, you know. Christ almighty, I can't get to the gate for mud. Yeah, I thought that would this is going to be fun. Yes, I do not really want to chase that gate. Oh, Jesus Christ. Through all this mud. Come on, bike. That's the last thing I want to do. Go bloody pissing around in mud with my feet. Apart from wind, bogs, floods, mud, I'm enjoying myself. I need to enjoy myself. Close, sesame. I've got too much going on in my life right now. Way too much. Bloody depressing and anxiety and a bloody doctor and unfit for work now. It's like, oh Christ. One turn of events. Can put you in this situation now, maybe for the rest of my life. The fucking joys. Oh, the fucking mud. Don't look to the left. Do not fucking fall in. Jesus Christ, it's in front of me. Have you seen this shit I've got to try and get through? I'm getting on and riding this through it. Bloody boggy mulch. It's all good. get out at wind, I might have some more crisps. I got no pot because I had to clean this pissing mud off. I was going to do some different camera angles, but the wind won't, well, yeah, wind will just bloody stand over. Here. Right, so I've just sat down and had some crisps. Just been talking to a lovely old lady who's coming and walked the dog. In fact, she's got a dog just a lot like Buddy, but without the grain, a little bit smaller. They've just been having a chin wag there. I thought I'll just get on before I come out from this hill, else the wind's going to bloody hit us again. Clouding a little bit. So it's flat all the way downstairs, Oxen up, and yeah. Afternoon, ladies. Don't jump over the bloody cliff, you set of tits. I think I'm going to get pretty wet going down these stairs, building up to it. The water's going to be bloody running down it. Oh, battling that wind again. I'll be glad when I get a bit lower down valley. So glad. I will be so glad to get down there. Right, let's get down here. No catch, but new gate. Give tide a bit wash. Oh, right. Back down in the eco. Get out of this wind. The dreaded stairs. I bet this is going to be a right shit show. Telling you now, I bet this is going to be a shit show after all that rain and snow and shit.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up, oh God, no love.
That didn't take long, did it? Really not that long. Oh yeah. So journey back now. Bit of this, bit of that, over here, over there. We're up on 16.1 miles. Riding time 1 hour 49 at the moment. Obviously I've stopped twice to have some crisps. To be fair, I can't even. 10 past 12 and I said hello, good morning. 12 o'clock I came out. So I've been out 2 hours. Let's say I've been out 2 hours. Not bad. %63% left. Not bad for a cold, windy, muddy day, I guess. Right. Let's get further home. So, just outside of Bedenston Hill now. Bedenston, or whatever you want to call it. It's that hill. Moorland, yeah. So just up there now. Heading back, going to get into top of Haworth. Drop down up to Oakworth. And